25 multiplied by 10 to the 5th power is blank. So, sulat lang muna natin. So, we have 25 times 10 to the 5th power. Since the exponent is positive, so all we have to do is put 5 zeros to the whole number, 25. So, therefore, the answer is 25. Add 5 zeros for 5. So, therefore, the answer is 2,500,000, letter A. Or another way is, we have 25, yung decimal point nandito sa dulo, so i-move natin ng 5 decimal places to the right since 5 is positive. So move natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lagyan natin ng zeros, yung mga space natin. So same answer, we have 2,500,000, letter A. Follow for more.